Welcome back to ICT trading concept. How are you all? I hope everyone is cool. If the voice is okay, let me know that. I need to know that first, okay? And I will talk about the price action just after a little. Love to see first if it works or not. If the voice is okay, just let me know that, okay? Perfect. But it's good. Okay, thank you, brother. So let's come here. Market is extremely bearish. It is just falling, falling, and falling. So I just removed that entry fair value gap over here. This is my last fair value gap. I believe that market will come here, that last fair value gap, then maybe it will go up. Okay, so overall I have the buy side liquidity here, all of the buy side liquidity I have. When market will come here to that last fair value gap from 15-minute chart, the last fair value gap, then I will try to take some kind of buy. If it works, then cool. If it doesn't work, I'll be happy. Today's morning I tried to do something, but it didn't work, and yeah, I'm in a bad position right now. I had some profit from here, but I missed everything. This line is the order block from daily chart. If you are with me in my weekly analysis, you know that I marked that order block, that level, and this level. So I have these two level, which is actually the order block. If market really would love to go higher, it is not going to close over here. So it's gonna be like a big week. Today is the Tuesday. I thought yesterday I got the manipulation, but the manipulation happened over here. Still now I'm thinking that this is the manipulation. The market will reverse. That's my expectation until now. We will see how it react, and right now market is just over here. So first, even if it would love to go higher, it has to reach over here to that fair value gap. Then I will start to look for some kind of buy. As you see, I tried on short over there. I got stopped out because I put to the break even. Though it is going here, I just missed it. So it stopped me out to the break even. The reason was I didn't want to hold it with some kind of, you know, a bigger loss. So I didn't want to do that. That's why I put my stop loss to the break even. That's all in short. And yeah, I have nothing to say right now because my market is just one-sided. It's just going lower, lower, lower. So now it is going, it's coming over here. Cannot hear me? Hello, hello, hello. You should hear me. No, I'm also in a bad position. I got completely wrecked today. Yeah. Until now I'm okay. I'm in positive, but yeah, I didn't get a huge run. Okay, I every time I tried buy, so actually most of the time I got break even, and sometimes little profit, then little loss, something like that. So yeah, so far it's not good, but I hope that on the morning session I'll be able to catch some move. Okay, I have a lot of buy side liquidity now in the chart. So I believe that I'm gonna catch this one. Even if I wouldn't stopped out over here, that would be a huge profit, near about $1,000 profit. But yeah, I got stopped out to the break even. Cool. At the same time, if you see the dollar index, this is today's candle, a bear candle. Over here, this is the Nasdaq, a bear candle. So both of them are going at the same level. See, it is a bear candle. This is also a bear candle. So both of them are at the same direction. I don't know what is happening. Okay, I have no idea what is happening. Yeah, still I'm bullish because market should go higher for the all-time high. Let's see how it reacts. This is the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart, which is the last barricade for me. So after reaching here to that fair value gap, if market give me any kind of higher market structure shift, I will go for that. First, it has to reach to that fair value gap. If it reverse from here, I'm not interested to take buy. I would love to see it will at least tap to that fair value gap, last fair value gap. Then I will look for some kind of buy. Again, today's highly manipulative day, so be careful about your entry. To take some loss, better to stop trading today. Okay, so yeah, it came to this last parallel gap. Now is the time to look for buy. I'll look for buy only. Hello, all good, bye brother Leonardo Miguel. Bye brother, that's cool, man. There's no, it's not a choppy day, it's one-sided. Okay, market is just falling, not choppy actually. Until now, it's not choppy. Don't forget 10 news. I remember that around 10 we had the news, but I'm not actually worrying about that news. I'm just worrying about run. Why it's falling like that way? I have all the liquidity above me over here. I have this buy side liquidity, that buy side liquidity over here, buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity. I have a lot of buy side liquidity. Then why market is falling like that way? So in my opinion, this is just a Judas swing, and everyone who will come here now, they will see market is extremely bearish. I believe like that way. Okay, so I'm gonna remove that order block level because it came to that last parallel gap. So everyone will see this is bearish. They will try to catch the bear run, and they will be chopped up. I believe that market should expand higher as it reaches to that last parallel gap. If market go below that last parallel gap, I think I won't be in the market, not anymore. Right now, I'm thinking market, even market fail to come here, it will come at least until that buy sell liquidity. The buy sell liquidity created today and yesterday. So today and yesterday, it has created that buy sell liquidity. So even if this is the manipulation day, market has to take that buy sell liquidity for manipulating the market. So let's see if we can have some kind of buy move. Yeah, let's see. Alexander, I told you we'll short. You said buy sell liquidity first. Yeah, Alexander, you are right, brother. I'm wrong. Yeah, you brother. Thank you, Peter, for hearing me out. Hey, Joao, how are you, brother? Okay, Hardik, we can hear you. Thank you, brother. Maybe high internet. Okay, maybe his internet. Yeah, I guess so. Give back so much profit from London session, brother. Tried the 7 a.m. kill zone and got tricked. Me too. And I mean, I have already tweeted that to my Twitter. What I have done around. See, this is all I have done around the 7 a.m. kill zone, and yep, it's just bullshit. I just barely managed that profit plus profit. I mean this positive. I barely managed that. Okay, to be honest, I should have in minus, but yeah, I'm happy that still I'm in positive. So I will try to catch some move from AM session, and I believe that I'll be okay with that. Let's see how it reacts. So market came to that last pair of lookup from 15 minutes chart. Now is the time I'll look for buy. I'm not looking for sell anymore because I believe that market has done its sell move. I will wait for some kind of buy setup. Only problem is this guy came to this fair value gap. I mean dollar index came to this fair value gap. It's reacting from the upper level, so I would love to see it will work with this fair value gap little more. That means it will expand lower little more, at least until the consequent encroachment. If it is able to go until the consequent encroachment, this guy will came higher and it will take that buy sell liquidity. So let's see. And if it keep falling, maybe I won't take any part. I mean, I won't partake participation over here to that price action. Let's see how it works. Okay, market going down for liquidity and wait for NFP one Friday. That's the best option. If you don't trade this week, that's the best option, or this the best strategy because NFP week is really so difficult to trade. We will see. Okay, we will see how it works. Okay, bro, your name T2? Yeah, my name is T2, brother. MD Muqtadir. My name is T2, brother. Hi, bro. How are you? I'm fine, Mac. How are you, brother? Until now, I'm fine because I'm in positive. But when I'll be in negative, maybe I'll be little upset. So let's see if it gives me the positive run or if it ends the day by a negative balance. Don't forget to give me a like like this streaming, that will be really appreciated. Okay, should wait for a CSD to go long. No, this last parabolic from 15-minute chart is enough for me to look for buy setup. This is the last parabolic from 15-minute chart. So this is the last parabolic. There is no other parabolic below that parabolic. If market break that parabolic, then maybe it's gonna be it's going for some kind of more liquidity, sell side liquidity. I don't want to see that. Maybe it's coming here to take that sell side liquidity. Everything will depend on that last parabolic from 15 minutes. I believe that it will hold the price, send it back. That's I believe. But if it is broken, then it's gonna be very difficult. Now over here, I told you the thing in Sunday or Saturday. I don't remember. If you remember, if you love to catch the reversal, then what you have to do? You have to wait for this type of things. Okay, it will go up, make a 15-minute parallel gap, then price will come to that 15-minute parallel gap, then you will go to your 1-minute chart. After going to your 1-minute chart, you will look for a setup from there. That's all I told you last Saturday. If it can do that like that way, then you have to take your entry from the first 15-minute parallel gap. So you should not look for entry from here if you look for reversal. Okay, I am now regretting because I shouldn't put my stop loss to the break even. If I wouldn't do that, I would have taken near about $1,000 profit. Okay, but it's okay, I will try. So the Sivastun, hey brother, how are you brother? It came to the consequent encroachment of the 15-minute parallel gap, 15-minute last parallel gap. So let's see if it has the opportunity to go higher or not, if it has the energy to go higher, or if it would love to go lower. We will wait until 9:30. We have a news around 10, so everything you have to keep in your mind. Don't follow my trade, don't copy my trade. If I push my button, don't copy that. Okay, please don't copy that. Extremely, I'm just telling you, extremely it's important. The reason is I need to complete with $1,000. Okay, so I will push my button in a different type of situation. If you would love to push your button, you will push that by your analysis, by your a plus plus setup or something. You will wait for that. Extremely bearish market, I will push my button for the buy run. Okay, if I push my button, I will push it for the buy run. Now if you follow my if you just push your button depending on my analysis, or just try to copy my trade, I will take that as a extremely disrespect. Okay, so please don't do that. Hi brother, after this kind of dump, aim in probably gonna be chop festival. Absolutely. Around, I mean, if you ever see the midnight run, most of the time the morning session is a choppy session, very very choppy session. So be careful about that as well. We will see. We have the news around 10, and I think around 12:05 we have two news. We will see how it react around that time. It is the wizard is T2, the wizard is his full name. Damn it, one US 100 we did not arrive to that parallel gap yet. Okay, US 100 price action is not appropriate or not correct price action. You have to look for this chart for absolute price. Okay, it's still falling. I don't know what is it. It is what it really would love to do. I have no idea, because from hourly chart you can see 1 2 3 4 5 bear candle. Just it fall. It just keep falling, falling, falling. Has closed that hourly Fibonacci perfectly. Let me mark the low of that Fibonacci. So it has closed Fibonacci perfectly from hourly chart. I have little sell side liquidity here, so I'm gonna mark them. There's the sell side liquidity. Market would love to take that sell side liquidity. If it has taken that sell side liquidity, I'm not going to be happy to see that. But still, we will see how it reacts. So that is the line of the hourly Fibonacci low. Let's see how it reacts from there. Now here is the part of turtle soup. Sometimes people actually take entry depending on the turtle soup. I really don't have any idea how can they push their button over here. How can they know market is going higher now? They're obviously overshare for that. Maybe I don't know how to do that. Turtle soup, I tried, but it didn't work for me. Tip 62. Okay. Hey, Joandre, how are you, brother? Nico, it's in new week opening gap at 18258 plus water block plus 62 fever. That's cool. Yes, yes, okay. Yes, T2. I compare always NQ and US 100. That's cool, man. You have to do that. Tuesday low of the week. Most of the time, Tuesday makes the low of the week. Most of the time. Most of the time means 80% of the time. Tuesday makes the low of the week. Low or high of the week. 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, this is the line of the 1 hour fair value gap low. Market is just tap to that 1 hour fair value gap low and it's just here. Okay, so we will see how it react. I entered turtle soup this morning at London session again. Okay, do you think this can be the turtle soup? Do you think that? If you think this can be the turtle soup, I would push my one contract over here. I can push because I really don't know how to trade the turtle soup. I think I need some help who has the ability to find out the turtle soup. I have no idea. Okay, because how can you know that this is gonna be the last, the low? Okay, this is the low. As ICT told, never try to find out the low or the high of the run. So I can't find it out how to do that. I can hear you. Okay, thank you, Jerry, for hearing me out. Okay, no, so this is not turtle soup. Okay, then I'm not gonna push my button over there. Price action will tell me. Okay, if you see any turtle soup, just let me know. Okay, I would love to see how you guys actually be confident about the turtle soup. I need to know that. Remember, this is the last parabolic gap. If it is broken, then this sell liquidity will be very, juicy, something like that. If this last parabolic gap is broken from 50-minute chart till it's inside this last parabolic gap, okay, let's see how it react. $6 deep discount on NQ, then expand higher tomorrow or after tomorrow. Okay, so your method works. Why do we need turtle soup? No, I love to learn new things. I love to learn new things. Okay, that's why I'm asking if like the guy Joao, he told that he actually take turtle soup. So if it works, then what's wrong with that? To learn something new, there's nothing wrong. When it is broken, I'm gonna remove it from my chart, and last travel gap is going to be broken, I believe. Let's see if it is broken or not. If it is broken, I'm gonna remove it from my chart. You don't need anything else, or I mean, but I love new challenges. Okay, I love new challenges. That's all. No trade before 9:30. Absolutely, brother. But just don't give me the rules. And at the same time, please don't follow my trade. Don't copy my trade. Okay, that's all. If I see anything peculiar, I will push my button. If it works, perfect. If it doesn't work, it's also perfect. So I will go the way I really go. If anyone has the problem, he can leave my session. If anyone think that I'm just over trading, he can leave the trade. I mean, sorry, session or live streaming. No problem with me. Okay, just don't stay here to judge me. That's my request to all of you guys. Do you have reset a discount code? Yeah, I have the reset discount code. and I actually tried to reset it, but it's not. I mean, I had one account from on 100K. I thought I would be able to reset that. Yesterday, I thought I would reset that one, but it's not active. Okay, I actually, what to say? I mean, cancel the subscription something. I did that, so there is no option to reset. So I actually knocked to the help center. If they can reactivate that for me, then I will try to reset my account with 75% discount. So I'm not sure. I think they use it on high time frame mainly for swing trading. Okay. No, the guy Joao, he actually do that. So I asked him if he can help me. Then I will go for that thing. Oh man, I shouldn't put my stop loss to the break even. Otherwise, it's gonna be a huge profit. Oh man, why I did that? Okay, whatever. Let it go. Again, guys, don't push your button with me. The reason is if I take a small loss, I'll be happy with that. But if you push your button with me, it's gonna be a difficult situation for me. The reason is I don't want you to push the button with me. Please don't do it. This is 9:30. I mean, we are very near to 9:30. Anything can happen. Okay, there can be a huge volatility. You can be chopped up. I don't want you to take some losing trade, and you can see there is not a perfect setup as well. So please don't push your button. Not good, not good. Okay, I made a mistake and maybe it's not going to work. No, it's not good at all. Not at all. It should not close that fabric perfectly. When it has closed that fabric perfectly, I believe that it's not going to work. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna put it over here. Can minimize some little more losses. It's not going to work. The reason is market has closed that fabric perfectly. It should not close that fabric perfectly. When it has closed that fabric perfectly, it should not work. When price sweeps and hold low of hold high, it tends to turtle soup it. Time is key, market structure is key. Where we are in the higher time frame, swing is key. Okay, just if you see anything, just let me know. Okay. Yeah. Mm, to make left for 950 open, and we will see how it react. I just minimized my, I mean my stop loss is too tight. Okay, and so just 6 handle. This is the tightest stop loss ever. So if I get stopped out, okay, but let's see if it works. All I want to see a body close above that line. Last minute before 9:30, and I believe that should I put my stop loss to the break even? Should I put it? Should I put it? Should I put it? No, I'm gonna put it little higher over there. So this is the last level I can put. If market would really go higher, it will go. Otherwise, I'll be boom. Okay, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, stopped me out. This is the thing I actually hate around 9:30, because 9:30 the volatility sucks. Good risk, man. Very small risk. Okay, just 3 to 4 handle. It's okay. This thing I really hate around 9:30. Just this leg. I really hate it. Remove it. Still stop. No, it was actually doing. I mean, there was some problem, I guess. This guy is falling. I mean, dollar index is falling, but it should go higher. It's not going higher. Not give me the precision. Let's see what happened. Turtles are forming at 15 minutes. Okay, Tesla is taking, and it is the reason that NQ is also following the suit. Okay, there is something related with Tesla now. I don't know what is that. Okay, overall I'm $600 loss, but I'm cool with that. $600 loss. That means near about 30 handle. I'm in loss with 30 handle. What the hell is going to happen here? These three entry, all of them are valid. Trust me, man, all of them are valid. But why it is doing that, I have no idea. This fair gap is holding the price. The last fair gap is holding the price. Market should go higher. I got the market structure shift. Everything is perfect. What I'm missing is just this run. I don't know what is happening. It will go higher. I'm nearly 1,000 times sure that market is going higher, but it's just chopping around there, that area. भाई टेस्ला गिर रहा है, negative news आई है. Still I'm believing that market is going higher, brother. I don't know about the positive news or negative news, nothing. Okay, all I know is market is going higher. That's all I know after watching this whole price action. That is until now. Okay, it's perfectly respecting this last travel gap. Nobody closed below that travel gap, so it should expand higher. From where it is going to do that, I have no idea. That's all. But still okay. Did you take sell stops already? Yeah, there is no sell side except this extreme one. This is the extreme sell side liquidity. Except this one. Okay, maybe it's going toward that sell side liquidity. If it go for that, I will just watch it. I'm not interested to take sell. If anyone is thinking that market is going to fall, he can take the sell. Okay, I am not telling you that don't take the sell. If anyone is thinking that market is going to take that sell side liquidity, you can go for the sell. 18220 is draw on liquidity. 18220 over here, that's your draw on liquidity. Okay, let's see, brother. Evil first right now. Yes, yes, yes. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations for passing the evil. My mind is telling me to take a revenge trade, but I don't want to take a revenge trade. I'll just see it if it works or not. I'm not gonna take this entry, but I will just would love to see is it working or not. I'm only looking for buy, okay? So yeah, I don't care even if it come here. I'll just see it from this fair value gap. So it's a very small fair value gap. Still there is a fair value gap. Just remember that there is a fair value gap if it falls. I'm, I'm not just interested about that. So thanks Tito. Your teachers helped. Thank you, man. Thanks for that. Compliment, man. MP 18266.50 new week opening gap 18266.50 266. Over here there is a new week opening gap. I don't have that. I will go for another buy setup now. I think it will go a little bit down. Okay, I will see, brother. I will see that. If I take this loss, then I'm not going to take any more entry to my live account today. No more entry. If I take this entry as a losing trade. Okay, done. I need to change my account. I'm sorry, and I will be in paper money until the PM session. Log out and yeah, I'll be until the PM session in the paper money. Not a good day. Took so many losses, near about $1,300 loss. It's okay. Yeah, I saw that right. RTH, but that's why I'm not interested. That RTH. What happened? Everything is cool. Everything is cool. What the hell was that? Because I told you timing for the market. Did have a look at GAN? No, brother, I didn't. I don't know what is that GAN. You didn't tell me what is GAN. Where from where I can get it? But I need it too. How can I get GAN? Yeah, how can I get GAN, man? You didn't tell me that, so I didn't look at that. I'll give you some material on Twitter. Easy, it is near Happy Eid everyone. Happy Eid, bro. It's yes S&P, bro. Nothing work in NQ until S&P clean level its hit. Okay, lot of things over here. Let's see. Very bad day. Very. Oh man. I need to see how price react. Okay, a second, because it's gonna be very difficult for me to read the price for right now. I need to finish first the reading price action. What it really would love to do. Like S&P, can you give me your Twitter? You will get that to the comment box. Sometimes, I mean, after every 20 minutes, you are going to get that link to my Twitter. Okay, so you will get that over there. And just a second, okay, I need to finish first reading price action. What is it really would love to do. Really go higher or really it would love to go lower? Yes, I'm just coming back. Just give me some time. Okay, I don't think so. Market is going to give me any setup right now, so I'm just coming back. Just 1 minute. It's actually there is Azan, so I need to fix something. Just within 1 or 2 minutes, I'm coming back. Give me 2 minutes. I'm back, but I'm not reading your comment right now. I'll only read the price. I'm not going to read your comment. Give me some time. First, let me find out a setup. Even for the paper money, I'm okay. I need to find out some setup first. I have to see market will close above that high. Will work as the order up now. Not good, not good, not good. Okay. Do you want to do, brother? What do you want to do? Results news coming. Okay, there is news coming. Yeah, around 10. Okay, I got it. Shifting low is valid for shifting market structure. If I get it, I'll be happy to see it already. Okay. Rotator path. If the 50-minute favorable gap and back fails to hold the price, 18006 is the next level for the price to go, I believe. 18006. Okay, well, you will see. Your soul, where can I find GAN, bro? Yeah, dear, where can we get the GAN, bro? So, okay, you will give me that to the Twitter. If I get it, then I will maybe able to give you that. I miss you, brother. Very weird market conditions. Absolutely, brother. Nothing is working. Absolutely nothing is working. This candle should not go below those, but it went there, and at the same time, it has made relatively equal lows here. So it's a very difficult situation for the macro as well. I would love to go with the macro over here. We will see. And I would love to come with my live money again one more time. Then I will see if we can have something. Just a second. We'll wait for the better opportunity. If I get it, I'll go for it. Otherwise, I'll try to get something from here. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna read your comment right now. Okay. Dollar index is falling. Everything is perfect. It should go higher. Why it's not going higher? Okay, liquidity has taken. And I have a big run now. All I need just a big run. Is there anyone is thinking that market is going to fall? Doesn't look like manipulation. Manipulation in Tuesday is like this, but yeah, today was much more massive run. It was much more. I mean, it was a massive run. Okay. Anyone is thinking that market is going to fall? Long S&P. There was a better price action. I'll wait here, brother, because I took a lot of losses already. So I have to wait for the A plus plus setup or something like that. So all I need a market is to. I was bullish, but I don't know now. Okay, I think they will run the lows uh, again. Okay, if this candle failed to go above that high, then this setup is not valid. If this candle failed to go above that high. Just need to see that market went above and close above. That's all. Before the news. If market didn't give me that, I'm not gonna catch the news. I will let it go. The news run, I will just let it go. If this candle failed to go above that high. First a dump, then a pump. Nothing is working today for me. Gemma, huh? Until I'm not, I'm not good, brother. Okay, who asked me Robin Hood? Until I'm not good, brother. I'll be good. I hope very soon. Let's see if I'm good or not. Possibly. Okay, I missed the pyramid entry or a little. I missed it. Wait little more. If it let me take in on the market one more time, come right catch that one. If it close above that parabolic gap, I'm not interested to take the pyramid entry. This parabolic gap is holding the price. I believe that that will be the just reaction. So I want to see this as a reaction, nothing else. This reaction can set the price inside that parabolic gap one more time. That's why I hold that buy limit. It can take me. If it fail to take me, then I will go with one contract only. Little more, just little more. Oh man, I'm on the market now. Now I would love to see the expansion. Toward the sell side, no. Not toward the sell side, no. Not that way. I would love to see the upper way, man. Don't come this way. Okay, not a good day. Absolutely not a good day. Not a good day. Now it's a huge loss, yeah, about $2,000 loss. So ah, it got dumped by the market. I think DXY will give a huge run downside next 1 to 2 weeks. What do you think? What should I think? DXY was perfectly okay. DXY was falling, closed that Fabrica perfectly. This guy didn't go up. What can I think? I just get dumb. My price action was telling me that market is going higher. DXY gave me the perfect run. Everything was perfect. It just stopped me out. What should I think, brother? This is not a good day for me. Price will turtle soup it again. So Joe, what do you think? It is going to fall now? I mean, is that the turtle soup? You would love to take your entry over there? Good morning, everyone. Hey, Tommy Byron, how are you, brother? Joe, can you make it clear, brother, why you are thinking that turtle soup entry will be happen? I mean, is it here or is it here? Where you were thinking that turtle soup entry would be for sale or for buy? Thanks. Price will okay. No, I think we will go higher from here. Turtle soup for bus signal. So I mean, for example, if I would take the entry, my entry would be here, exactly where I should take the entry for the turtle soup. M session will be chop. I'm thinking, I'm just seeing this, the choppiness. I'm just seeing this. I mean, is that the entry, brother? If I would take that turtle soup, was that the entry? Like something like that? Okay, if I would take that on, I would be stopped out. I think I would wait. It must go below that old low. Okay, so here that would be my entry, right? Okay, then if it is my entry, maybe I will put my stop loss over here. And I'm just trying to figure that out. Okay, how people know about the turtles. So if that would be my entry, my stop loss just put over there. Let's see if it works or not. I'm just trying to figure it out. Okay, brother. I would wait for more structure, brother. No, I'm not pushing my button. You see, I just try to catch the turtle soup. I saw some people actually trade the turtle soup in very good way. am really confused how they can do that continuously. So I'm trying to figure that out. That's why I'm just trying to catch that one by the long tool. Okay, I'm not pushing my button depending on the turtle soup because I don't know how to trade turtle soup. So I would love to better see if it works or not. Okay. Now it's a buy. Okay, so I pushed that over there, I put that over there, and I will see if it works. I will knock you to the Twitter. You please tell me how to do that. Okay. I really don't know how to trade turtle soup. It's not the level to take any trade, no matter how attractive it looks. Raja offshore. Okay, that's cool, brother. Yeah, I thought that this setup is going to work. This setup should have worked, but what happened over here? Just tap over there to the last parabolic cap, hold the price, send it back. I don't want to see that. But yeah, sometimes it happens. Shit happens. Turtle soup. Yeah, I'm just catching that turtle soup. I'm writing it down. Otherwise, you will keep telling me that turtle soup, right? Turtle, UP, turtle soup. I don't trade turtle soup as I don't have any other entry opportunity over here. No, nothing. So I will just try to catch the turtle soup. If it works or not, I would love to see that. That's all, brother. You're good. You followed your plan. I'm just watching turtle soup is working or not. That's all, brother. Okay, we are not going anywhere now. Okay, then this turtle soup is not working. Going to work, right? Then I don't need to put it here. And the February 25 new week opening gap. Is it inside that new week opening gap, Winston? Just let me know that. Okay. I think they want the out of 20 days liquidity. So I'm out until it's taken or PM session start. That's the best idea. This would be a good buy signal if we hadn't moved 200 points already. Uh, Let me check actually how many handle we have moved. I guess it's more than 200 handle. So from here near about 300 handle, brother. Near about 300 handle we moved. March 20 bro. Quick opening gap is tiny, too small. Okay, if it is too small, then I'm not interested. I mean, if it is less than 10 handle, then I'm not interested. What does ICT says when we get big ranges? If that range come from the midnight, then you have to avoid the morning session. I mean, this type of big range, if you say overnight big range, you have to avoid the morning session because morning session is highly manipulated. The way I get manipulated, it happens if you ever see the big range around the midnight. That's all ICT told about the big range around the midnight. Most of the time we get the choppiness and seek and destroy mode around the AM session after the midnight big range. Absolutely, absolutely, brother. We should skip this session. I had a bigger loss, that's why I tried to catch a big move until that buy side liquidity. But the last travel cup hold the price, send it back. I got a stopped out. That's all. No signal are valid. No signals are valid. Absolutely, brother. Just look at this candle from the daily chart. This is the candle from the daily chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 days, we get this candle. We left a lot of liquidity over there. Lot of buy side liquidity over here. Lot of. I mean, lot of means lot of. This is the lowest low of that swing. Just look at this weekly candle. It started yesterday, I mean Sunday, and just falling, falling, falling. Didn't give a shit about any other price action, nothing. Just keep falling from the weekly chart. From the daily chart, it went lower, closed that buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency perfectly. Now trading around that area to that order block. A perfect order block. It's trading that order block now. There is one more level over here if market would love to go there or not. Let me check. So this is the mean threshold of the daily order block. I'm gonna put it over there and I will just make it more wider. That will be my mean threshold from the daily chart. Wait for the breakout. I'm not waiting for anything because nothing is working. Absolutely nothing is working for buy setup because that was the perfect buy setup. It didn't work. The perfect setup didn't work. If you ask the A plus setup, there was the A plus setup. It didn't work. So I don't believe any breakout. So better I will wait for something like this. If I really would love to take a buy, then I will wait for this type of things. Market will go higher, then it will make another 50-minute fair value gap. price will come to that 15-minute fair value gap, then I will look for another setup over there. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take any kind of entry. I don't believe any breakout right now. It gave me a lot of losses today. So I'm not gonna believe him again. March 20 p.m. sessions taken now. March 20 p.m. session. Okay. Every liquidity has been taken over there, I believe. There's no sell side liquidity left over there except this last fair value gap, and this is inside this entry fair value gap right now. When market came to this entry fair value gap, it gave me one setup, it didn't work. So I have to either wait for reaching it here or just let it go. I'm not believing anything over here. One minute fair value gap put in looking good for runner. Capture 10 handle. Congratulations, Ben. There is 12 handle, 13 handle, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 handle. That was better, Ben. 20 handle, man. 22. Oh, man. Near about 20 handle. From which level market will define reverse? I don't know, brother. I'm just not going to believe it anymore. I will just see everything. I will let it go because it just stopped me out with a perfect setup over here. That was a perfect setup. Market has cleared everything. That was a very nice market structure shift. Immediate reaction. It didn't work. So I'll just let this go. So ask me, then I will wait for 15-minute chart to make another 15-minute fair value gap here. Then price will come back again to that 15-minute fair value gap. Then I'll look for another setup. Otherwise, I will just let it go. I will see how it perfectly hit the target without me. Okay. 5-minute inversion incoming. What does it mean? I mean, you are looking for sell from 5-minute inversion. I believe this is the institutional order flow entry drill. That means price will just tap to that fair value gap and it will go higher. That is called the institutional order flow entry drill, IOFET. Let's see if it can work like that or not. If it just tap to that fair value gap, then it should go higher. If it work like that way on, I would love to see if it is institutional order flow entry drill or not. Take a look to ES. Okay, I have a lot of time. Yeah, sister, brother. I can only see the lot of liquidity around that area. Buy side liquidity. Except buy side liquidity, I don't see anything. It has cleared all of the sell side liquidity around that area. 5 minute I don't go, brother. I don't believe in 5 minute. So all I can see a buy setup. As I'm not looking for sell, I am not interested to take sell. So market should go through this fair value gap. IOFED, actually I don't. Oh, this question is invalid. Okay, which time frame it works? I mean, this question is invalid because IOFED is institutional order flow entry rule. That means if you miss this entry, you can take that entry over there. So ICT explained that IOFED like that way, but he didn't give us any other information about IOFED. So this is, see this line, it's not IOFED anymore. It was over there. If it could go higher, then I would call that IOFED. So beforehand, how to mark IOFED, I don't know. I really don't know how to mark the IOFED beforehand because I didn't. I mean, ICT didn't clear that word, and I didn't work with the IOFED as well. All I know that sometimes ICT mark that as a IOFED, and then boom, something like that. Today London session is perfect. Second stage accumulation unicorn model for MMXM. I think London session was cool. Yeah, London session was cool. We had a very nice setup over there. We took that setup, but New York session, little disaster. Not little, huge disaster. We had a run for 29 handle, cool. But I would love to see this buy side liquidity will be taken. Let's see if it works or not. If market can close above that candle, then I'm gonna use that candle as a order block. The reason is market didn't make any order block there. It should make the order block here. If it failed to trade that parabolic gap again, then the order block will be here. I had a bad day today, too, brother. Okay, sometimes bad day happens. I missed all of my opportunity. Here, that setup should work perfectly. When it didn't work, I didn't participate over here. Even if I would participate over there, maybe I would be stopped out over here now. Okay, the reason is I want to see some kind of expansion without any consolidation until that buy side liquidity. I really expect that one. Even if I would take that entry, I would be stopped out already. So yeah, a New York session, two losses for me right now. Then don't go into the market again. Don't engage into the trade again. That would be the best choice, brother. After taking two losses, otherwise you are going to end your day with maybe near about 1,000 or $2,000 loss. Should go the buy side. It has 1 hour fair value gap, 50-minute fair value gap, and fib supporting that theory. Toxic Booba, it's your choice, brother. I'm not gonna push my button anymore over here because I don't believe in this price action. I will believe this price action only if only I can see market has made another 15-minute fair value gap. Market came back again to that 15-minute fair value gap. Then only then I will look for buy setup again. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take buy or anything. I'll just put this tool, long tool, and I will see how price work. If it works perfectly, I'll be happy. If it doesn't work, then I will be happy as well. because I didn't take that entry and I didn't take that entry. So yeah, that's all. No trade zone. Absolutely. I don't see any trade zone right now. Fortunately, that 15-minute fair value gap weight uh, didn't have gap profit till, but don't take anything from me too. Then it's cool. If it didn't take anything from you, I mean, if you were from break even or if you didn't take any entry, congratulations, brother. You passed the psychological test already. Uh, but that setup was really so strong setup. That was the setup. I mean, it should work. That type of setup. Dollar is keep falling. Is keep falling toward that sell side liquidity. It's struggling to go higher. So Nasdaq is kind of dumped today and yesterday as well and Thursday. Two profits on the sell this morning and want to see a buy, but I have to go to work today. Maybe PM session will push higher after consolidation. Let's see, brother. If you are going to work, then you are safe. Okay, absolutely, you are safe. Not for the buck anymore. Trust me, this is the shittiest price. So it's hugely volatile. The way I explained that this week market can be volatile choppiness. There can be volatile choppiness. Okay, it will be chopped up, but with a huge volatility. Around the new, I mean, overnight market fall dramatically. It was really awesome from here. Okay, it fall, but outside of the session. When market is inside the session, it's just doing some choppy price action. So yeah. Please help me. How can I help you? Hi, how can I help you? Subbarao, brother. Bro, scalping amazing in those conditions. Imagine taking $300 every day. Do the calculation. You will end up around 9K month. Scalping is cool, man. Scalping is absolutely cool, but I love to hold my trade for the liquidity. That's how I actually made myself trained to hold the trade until the liquidity. So it's little difficult for me to go for $300 or $200 or something depending on the dollar. I only go for the liquidity or there is no other way I can trade. Okay, so that's why it's difficult for me to scalp with a small profit before the liquidity. I can't close my trade. Yeah, if you are able to do that $300 every day, then it's near about $6,000 in month. Not bad. Just $300 every day, $6,000 in a month. More than huge, man. What the hell is doing here? Um, In two type of situation, I'm gonna be happy. If it hit my target profit, I'll be happy because I was right over here. If it stopped me out, I'll be happy because I didn't take that entry. Both way, I'm gonna happy. Why I didn't take that entry? Because I got stopped out over here. To that perfect setup, it stopped me out. That's why I'm not interested to take that entry. Dusul, it's 6,000. Yeah, absolutely, it's 6,000 because 20 day in a month where we trade 20 days. It's gonna be $6,000. It's not small, it's huge as well. Prices inducing short. I don't believe, brother. Prices inducing short. I don't believe it. Price is going higher. That's my belief. At least until that buy side equity market is going higher. Until that buy side liquidity, market should expand higher. But that doesn't mean please go for the trade, take loss. Okay, that doesn't mean that. I'm just expecting market will go higher. That's my that's my studies telling me. Why market is chopping around here? The reason is this last parabolic cup hold the price. Now this last parabolic cup from this leg is holding the price. Market has to break any of this level. When any of this parabolic cup will be broken, you will see the expansion. Huge expansion until that buy side liquidity. Maybe until here. Until here, you will see the expansion. Huge expansion. I mean, is inviting shorts to take their stops pending higher. Oh, okay, that's cool. Yeah, it can. I mean, it has making the I mean resistance over there. So yeah, it's true, man. SMT and QYM. I'm not looking for SMT. If I wanted to take a buy, that was the place where I had to take the buy. Except this one, no buy is valid. How boring is it, right? How boring it is. Hmm. There is a cold war between these two lines. The way body will close, market will go in that way. If it can close above that line, market is going higher. If it is going to close below that line, market is going lower. My target is 20 trade per month with 1:1 risk reward plus 80% accuracy. Go for that, man. Price has fallen 300 points. Will go another 300. They will think. You are talking about the uh, bear flag, right? Broken. Very choppy price action. I don't think so. In the morning session, we are going any other opportunity except that one to go for the buy. We go to 50-minute chart. Yeah, this is the sign of the sloppy price action. This candle is going to make the sloppy price action after this candle. Isn't those highs as resistance? Hi brother, how are you? PP, I'm not good brother. Take a huge loss today. I just mitigated my loss yesterday and today I got again some losses. I should go for the perfect setup when I'm in live, because outside of live I can concentrate the price action better way. But when I'm in live, I'm really, I feel like my whole other setup doesn't work perfectly. Like I don't look the breaker block. Instead of that, I just keep pushing the button in an unusual time. Ah, still, it is trading. The part of the journey is losing is the part of this journey. Yes, and those are okay. How is the mother? Mother is finally. Thanks for asking, brother. Mother is fine, man. Who can trade in this type of situation? Anyone here who can trade in this type of situation? Just raise your hand. If you feel confident to trade in this type of situation, just raise your hand, brother. 30 more seconds and price will rocket up. 30 more seconds? After 30 seconds, price will rocket up? What is going to happen after 30 seconds, brother? We have another news, okay? I was green and went red. Congratulations, Inna. I was green, I went red as well, brother. I am a loser today. I'm also a loser. Abdu Mounir. I miss you. I lost two. Okay, I lost more. Anyone else who is in green and interested to trade in this type of situation with confidence? Okay, you have to be confident that okay, market is going toward that area. You have to be confident. Is there anyone who feel confidence to trade in this type of situation? Just raise your hand. Me too. Okay, Catalano Hugo, you took a losing trade. That's cool, man. I'm losing my hair in this price action. Okay. Rigged. You are in a bad situation. Okay, you are in a very worst situation then. Oh man. So you still online? I'm in online, youthful. No, I just closed my morning session, then I come back. It shouldn't. Absolutely, man. It shouldn't do that. Took this on a 5 minute chart based on a violated fair value gap, inversion fair value gap. Glad to see you were in the same direction. Yeah, we were in the buy situation, but yeah, still we are seeing the shitty price action. Macro is now perhaps move. Let's see, brother. As I told, until this buy side liquidity is not taken, market should keep going higher. Even after all of this consolidation, it should go higher. That's my expectation, okay? I'm not just telling that please go for the trade and take some losses in this type of situation. This is a very bad situation, trust me. The very perfect setup which never failed to work. It failed today. This setup doesn't fail ever. This low has taken all the liquidity. Every liquidity has taken by that run. Give me a very nice market structure shift. Immediate reaction. Market fail. Just fall. Fall. Boom. Man. Just disaster, man. Me too, brother. Okay. Me and Tito are coming to learn. Yeah, we are here to come to learn. Okay. Last week was tough. This week took one trade loser. We are going to get better price action, brother. Just don't blow your account. We are going to get it very soon. Okay. I miss you all. It's still in discount in opening range. Okay. Let's see. Pro today, but I'm done for the week on Monday. Not risking until I see a clear direction during the week of NFP. That's the best decision. As ICT told, don't trade the NFP week. Don't trade the NFP. Okay, nicely it came back to that fair value gap. It should not do that, but it has done that. Whoever actually took that entry, they are now just praying to Allah, but God, don't stop me out, don't stop me out, don't stop me out, okay? Market will boom. It takes 1 hour swing. Okay, so market is going to boom now, I guess. There was a news at that stock in investors had fear kicked in. Anyone familiar with that? No, I'm not familiar with that. Market has taken all the buyers. All the buyers are stopped out now. Now the time for the sellers. Let's see if it can stop out all the sellers now. So if market would love to go higher, it has to take the buyers first. So market has taken the buyers now. Now it should take the sellers. Let's see if it can do that. I took that short after 10 a.m. news. Targeting huge week, got my $550. Congratulations, brother. If you are already profitable, don't push your button again. Please, that's a request. Don't push your button. Even if you see the perfect setup, don't push your button. I had a $600 profit and held too long, ended up with a loss. I hate when it happens. Too greedy. In that type of situation, you have to trail your stop loss, brother. You have to trail your stop loss at least to the break even. If you are too greedy, if you ever feel that you are greedy, the first time you will get a chance, you will put your stop loss to the break even. Okay, even if you are wrong, you will be stopped out to the break even, so you are not going to get any loss. I hope PM session will be little clean price action. Maybe, I'm not sure, but we will see. Should we think too much? All indicator trader, moving average guys, retail, everyone in profit right now. I agree with you, man. Everyone is in profit right now. I agree with you. They are in profit because market just fall. Whoever sells the price, whoever sells the price, they are already profitable. All of them are profitable already. Okay, you go to the daily chart for the better price action or for Clean chart. Okay. Yeah. Every single person is profitable. This is their target. This low is their target. Let's see if price can reach over there and can make all of them are to be profitable. If it can make them profitable or not. Whoever takes sell there, sell there, sell there, sell there, every single person is in profit. They are thinking market is going below that low, that swing low. This is the most obvious swing low where market should go. Did the sell from 1 minute last favorable gap? No, I didn't. You can't frame your trade from the last favorable gap from 1 minute chart. You can't frame your trade from 1 minute last favorable gap. There has to have a 15-minute favorable gap if you would love to frame your trade. Okay, brother. That's the rule. I think we go lower 170 to 140 range. 170 to 140. Huge low. Okay, we will see, brother. Right now, I have no idea where market is going, what is it's doing. Price is inside the 15-minute entry fair value gap. There is lot of buy side liquidity only. No sell side liquidity resting below here. Nothing left over there. Only the buy side liquidity. Now, if you think about the way we think, we ICT trader think, we should think about the buy. Is that do you know anyone is doing live right now? Someone like maybe Patrick or anyone is just doing live now. What they're thinking? They're thinking for sale. If anyone is following any other YouTuber, just let me know if anyone is waiting for sale or not. I'm not looking for sale. I'm looking for buy only. Okay. Whatever I hear about moving average, it makes me smile. Moving average, yeah, it's cool. The people who actually use the moving average cross entry, they're little cool. Tanja, okay, Tanja is doing live. Is she bull or is she bear? I mean, is she looking for buy or sell? Ben Kulj, can you tell me that? What is she looking for? What did Tanja do? I don't know. I'm with you guys, so I really don't know. Is she looking for buy or is she looking for sell? Let me know. I need some support from some famous YouTuber now. Let's see. We are at the same direction or we are at the opposite direction. Beer. Daniel Linkskip is looking to short. Okay, so they are looking for short. Sanja is live, but she is not trading. She is backtesting. Oh, okay. I don't know that guy, Daniel Inskip. I never heard about him. Sorry, but I don't know. I'm watching you, lol. Okay, Venkos, no problem. Alimeti sell. She didn't do anything. Okay, it's bearish market. Podcast highlights. Okay, it's a bearish market. Yeah, we can see it. We are bullish now. I'm bull. I'm bull. Okay. I don't know about others, but I'm bull. I'm not interested to take sell because market has done its job for going lower. It has already done its job. It should expand higher now. If it doesn't expand higher, that means I'm not gonna participate in this lower run. Maybe some of you are looking for sell. Let me show you the sell setup over here. Okay, see this low. You got the market structure shift over here. Here, market has taken the liquidity on that area. This high and that high. That is the liquidity market has taken. Oh, sorry, it didn't. Yeah, it has taken the liquidity. It has been taken over there. Okay, there is the fair value gap over there. Maybe you are looking for sell. Then that could be your sell setup. You can take your sell over there. Maybe I don't know where you are going to target, but you can look for that sell setup. I'm not interested to take sell, so I will see only the buy setup. If you are bull, tiger will hunt you. Tanja trades shows SMT in 15-minute chart. What happened in 15-minute chart? What type of SMT? Bullish SMT or bearish SMT? What type of SMT she showed? I don't know. Bull SMT. Okay, so she's also looking for bull then. Okay. If it doesn't work, then what can I do, brother? What can I do? I have nothing to do except watching the price. But overall, that was a nice run over here. Even if you see, if you took that entry over there, for example, you took that entry over there until that last parallel gap, okay, near about 25 handles, that was a nice run. I put it over here to see how it has taken that buy side liquidity because I love to hold my trade until the liquidity. You can see there is perfect uh, resistance level over there. If market go below that low, all of these sellers will be profitable. If market can go below that low from 1 minute chart, if market make them profitable now, that means today is not a good day for us to trade because retail traders are getting profitable here. We will be chopped up. This is not the day for us right now. If market can go below that low, it still need to take equal lows. James TP, so it was 5 minute bull SMT. Okay, let me check from the 5 minute chart. Why is this empty? I don't know where she saw that SMT. I don't see any SMT. We're at the macro right now. Let's see about the macro. It's been a long I don't trade in macro. Okay, for macro I don't have the 50-minute low, I guess. No, I just can go for this low as my macro. So this is the 50-minute low. So 1050. Where is 1050? Here, there is 1050. After coming here, market has only taken the sell side. So I am just waiting for a bull market. Even if depending on the macro, I need a higher market structure shift because market has only taken the sell side liquidity. All I need a market structure shift toward the upside. That's all. If March 19 low day low is their target. Let's see, brother. From Wednesday, March 20, we going lower. If anyone is thinking that market is going to fall, and if you see any kind of setup, go for that, man. Just go for that, okay? As I don't see anything peculiar over here for going lower, I'm not interested to take sell because market should not go below. There is no sell side liquidity. Every sell side liquidity has been taken already. Nothing left over there. Why market should go lower? It should not go lower. It should expand higher. It's my opinion, okay? You're full. You don't use any indicator. Why? Because I'm not a retail trader. That's why I don't trade any. I mean, sorry, I don't use any indicator. I don't need any indicator. This clean price chart is enough for me. Market has taken the liquidity over there. All I need a market structure shift. This is depending on the macro, okay? Just depending on the macro. This swing high is valid for shifting market structure. If I get that market structure shift within 10 11:10, then the macro entry will be valid. Within 11:10, it has to shift the market. Can it still go up after filling 1 minute last favorable gap? Absolutely it can. Absolutely it can, brother. It's going higher now. Let's see. Skirt 1025 buy side low hanging fruit. I think you were talking about here. This buy side liquidity. It's called the low hanging fruit. Okay. Depending on the macro, until now market has only taken the sell side liquidity. Okay, when market is was inside the macro, it has only taken the sell side liquidity. All I need a market structure shift toward the buy side liquidity. If it can do that, I'm good to go. Just fallen already, super bearish daily candle so far. Let's see how it close. Yeah, let's see, brother. This is the last line for getting the market structure shift. If I get the market structure shift after this line, then the macro entry will not be valid. Okay, not gonna be valid if the market structure shift happened after that line. I am just going with the macro. Okay, this is the macro. After a while, I'm just going with this macro. So 1150 to 10 11 sorry 1050 to 1110 macro. Need a market structure shift. It has taken the buy side as well. Either way, I will get a market structure shift. I will go for that. The first market structure shift I will get, I'll go for that. If it give me the lower market structure shift, I'll go for sell. If it give me the higher market structure shift before 11:10, I'll go for buy. This is only because of the macro. Okay, this entry I'm talking about just about the macro. It's been long. I don't trade depend on the macro. So for shifting market structure, you know this line. Sell side has taken, buy side has taken. Only I need the market structure shift anyway. After market structure shift happen and if favorable gap create, we wait for come in the favorable gap, then go for buy, right? Absolutely, brother. Leaves inversion favorable gap unfilled as breakaway gap. Why is that inversion favorable gap, brother? Can you tell me which favorable gap you are talking about? Remember, I'm just talking about here about the macro. So that will be 1050 to 1110 MSCRO macro. The macro of 1050 to 1110. All I need a market structure shift. If I don't get the market structure shift before that line, this macro entry is not valid. Sometimes it leaves inversion favorable unfilled as breakaway gap. Am I right? Sometimes it leaves inversion favorable gap as a breakaway gap. No, I never see that. I never saw that. I mean inversion favorable gap. No, I didn't see that, brother. With last favorable gap. Yeah, last favorable gap. Yeah, if it lifts that last favorable gap, then that works as a breakaway gap. Absolutely right, brother. Mhm. Yes, again, this is the macro entry, okay? The macro I have explained to my channel. This is that macro entry. So there is some specific rules. You have to follow that rules. Without that rules, no entry is valid over there. Nothing is valid, okay? Okay, I'm not gonna push my button. I will just put the long tool over there. When this candle will close, then I will use this. Or if it can trade that travel gap, I'm gonna take the entry. If market fail to come to that travel gap within 11:15, this entry is not valid anymore. Depending on that macro, it's not valid. If market fail to come to that travel gap within 15 minutes, sometimes it also works when market is very near to that travel gap. Sometimes you can take that entry, sometimes, okay, depending on the macro only. Your stop loss will be here below that one, and you will go only for 20 handle. It all depends on you, because it depends, okay? I mean, if you really so rush, then maybe you will take your entry over there, maybe there. That's here, very near to that fair value gap. The best option is to wait until price come to that fair value gap. That's the best option. You have to go for 20 handles. If you go for one tick above 20 handle, this entry is not valid. You like mmxm model? No, I don't like that. First fair value gap at 18220. I don't know where is 1820. I actually try to show you the macro over here, okay, nothing else, just macro. And this is only valid for 20 handle, no more than 20 handle. That means 20.25. No, it's not good. You are not allowed to take that. Can I go until that buy side liquidity? No, you can't go for that. Depending on that macro entry, you have to stop over here, here, just here, just 20 handle. Okay, that's a good example. Actually, the real setup happened in here in mini S&P. Okay, so over there was no chance. If you would love to trade depending on that macro, then you have to watch both of the market, because one market will maybe sometimes it won't give you the opportunity to take entry. So sometimes over here, when market came here into the macro, first what it has done, what it has taken the liquidity, sell side liquidity. Then it has taken the buy side as well. Market went lower, gave you the market structure shift over here. This is your perfect market structure shift over here. If you trade the what to say, I mean macro, okay, where is your fair value gap? There is your fair value gap. You have to wait until 11:15, okay, 11:15, not three candle, not immediate reaction, nothing, just 11:15. If market can come to that fair value gap within 11:15, you will take that entry. Your stop loss has to be below the swing low. Wherever you get the swing low, that will be your stop loss. You will go for 5 handle, just for 5 handle, not even for one handle above that 5 handle. So here that should be your target, just 5 handle, not even 5 handle one tick, no, just 5 handle will be your target. If it doesn't work, you can't move your stop loss. If it reverses from there, you will take the loss. That's the rule for the macro. Most of the time you will see you are not going to get stopped out. Instead of that, it's gonna hit your target profit. So that's the thing about the macro. So if you are interested about that macro, you can go for that, okay. Over here, yeah, sometimes it doesn't go exactly to that fair value gap. You have to take the close approximately entry, okay, very close approximately entry. So that's the macro. I just outline, I told you that no, I'm not interested to show you the macro entry, but as I have nothing else to do, so I have just shown it to you. Okay, this is the macro entry, and in that type of situation, you have to watch both of the market, even S&P and the Nasdaq. Both of the market you have to watch. Which market will give you the perfect entry, you will go for that. Over here, so far I can see even S&P actually gave me the perfect setup or perfect entry. I'll go for even S&P. I believe that until it hit the 5 handle, it's not reversing. It should take that 5 handle, because very rare it doesn't give you 5 handle. Very rare, it's very rare. Most of the time you will get that 5 handle, and here 20 handle, okay, you are going to get that. Okay, the entry was one first fair value gap at 18220. I don't know 18220, what do I have over there? 18220. Okay, you are talking about the first fair value gap. This low, where is the first fair value gap? Over here. This is not a first fair value gap over here. There's nothing first fair value gap called. No, no first fair value gap, brother. I'm sorry. There's no first fair value gap. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Little below that 5 handle, little below. Oh, there you go. This is actually macro trade, and to be honest, brother, this is for the child. Okay, whoever actually don't want to trade the read the price action, they want something very easy. Every single time it works, you can go for that macro entry. If you go to my channel and from my playlist, you will see a folder called macro. Let me show it to you. It's the macro, okay. Go to my playlist, and from there see this macro. There, this is the macro. Here you will get everything I just showed you. You will get everything. This is called the rules. Let me just show you to you. Where did it go? You go over there to the macro, sorry, and here. This was yeah, absolutely, brother. This is too easy, too easy. Over here I have just shown you that I took the macro entry depending on the macro. So that was the macro entry at the beginning. Absolutely the perfect macro entry. I have showed it to you. Then after that, here is the setup guidelines. Okay, everything I explained by writing. That I don't like it. Okay, I don't like it, but I did it so that it can be easier for you to understand. Everything I write it down over there. You go over there. Where is it actually? Let me show you. Okay, over here. There is everything. What do you need? Every single thing you will get over there. And trust me, it worked perfectly. Okay, to be honest, it worked perfectly. Here, if you watch this one, the last one, you will get the 8 winning, no losing. Here, I just shown every macro 250, 310, 150, 210, everything I have shown over there. You will see how precise the macro entry. Okay, you will never get this from anyone else. This is the only thing that is my invention. This macro, I took only the time from ICT, just the time 150, 210, 250, 310. I just took the time from ICT. Rest of all is mine. Yeah, the setup, I mean the model 22 YT model, I took that from ICT as well, but the rules, the way it should work, every single thing is mine. So if you are interested, you can watch. It worked, right? Move over there. I don't trade in macro because it's too easy for me. So yeah, so far market is going higher. Cool. If I would get a lower market structure shift, you have to forget about every other price action. Okay, whatever you know, where market is going, where is liquidity, every single thing you have to forget if you would love to trade in macro. Now don't go and start the macro trade with your live money. Just do the backtest because it is a game of 20 candles. The macro is a game of 20 candles. Here, every single candle is important. Every single candle. All you have to, okay, if you watch that video, you will understand that. What is that? Okay, I got some subscriber. I can see 4933. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. It's been long. I didn't ask for the subscription. At the same time, I can see there is more than 200 people, and I didn't even get 100 likes. Thank you. Thanks not for giving me the likes. What is the best macro to trade? I explained that 4 macro, Elena. You can watch them. That's really so easy. Okay, so easy to trade. Too easy to trade. This is the buy side liquidity. That is my target. I'm thinking that market will go above that buy side liquidity. Now the guy who actually asked me about the first parabolic gap entry. Here the first parabolic gap entry can happen. Okay, if this high is not taken, and market can go through the first parabolic gap over there, then it could be the first parabolic gap. If this high is taken, this first parabolic gap is not valid anymore. If you have very clean sell side liquidity. Now here, though I don't have the very clean sell side liquidity, yeah, this low and that low, they are not relatively equal lows as well. Except the sell side liquidity, you can give it a try if it works or not. If it is valid, that means this high should not be taken, and it has to go through that first parabolic gap. That's the rules, something like that. Then it will be valid for first parabolic gap. Almost 5k subs. I want my 3XL shirt. Peter is not here. I will tell Peter that you need that t-shirt. Okay, if when Peter will be here, I will ask him for the 3XL t-shirt. Okay, but I think there will be some kind of I don't know how to do that. I have no idea. Bro, I can code algo if you are sure about that macro things. Man, I never tell you something if I'm not 100% sure. Peter, you are here, brother. Welcome back, Peter. What are you doing here, man? You should sleep now. If I'm not 100% sure, then I'm not here, okay? When I'm 100% sure, then I talk about something. So go for that macro, even if in this type of sloppy price action. Let me show you. Okay, around 10, there was a news. So 10 macro is not valid. Otherwise, I would show you the 10 macro as well for 20 handle. It will work 99% of the time, the macro. So if you are a coder, then you can see if it works, then you can code, you can use. But I believe in myself. I don't need any robot or something to trade. But that's too easy, okay? Very simple, very easy, without any price action. From the start, okay? Why I didn't notice you? Why you were so quiet, man? You took so many losses today. Brother, was your strategy you use from ICT? Brother, was your strategy you use from ICT? Uh, Man, this is a very complicated question, okay? Like, ICT is just a concept, okay? So he give us something. For example, fair value. He talked about fair value gap. It's your job find out which fair value gap you are going to use. Now, ICT didn't teach me the last fair value gap, the first fair value gap, middle fair value gap. Nothing ICT teach me, okay? He just told me there is something called fair value gap. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. There is something called fair value gap. I took that and then I figured that out which buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency is important. For example, over here, this is the entry fair value gap from 15-minute chart. That is important. This is the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. That is important. When the fair value gap from here, last fair value gap was broken from 15-minute chart, you remember? It went lower, take the sell side liquidity. That's why I was bearish around that time. Now I'm bullish because market came here. It has taken all the sell side liquidity. This is the entry fair value gap. Now, if you ask me, is it from ICT? I don't know what should I give you the answer. Okay. Whatever I'm telling you here, you can just make sure you are not going to learn this from anyone else. No one else in this world talked about the way I talked about, the way I read the price. No one, not even a single person. I didn't see, okay? I didn't see. So yeah, maybe in later you will get someone. Maybe someone will take this thing and they will make it more, they will do more mechanism and then they will start to talk. Maybe. But until now, nobody will tell you the way I'm telling you the price action. For example, that macro I just showed you, not here, and that was not absolutely perfect example, but over here that was a absolutely perfect example. All you need to go into the macro around 10:50. You have to wait every single candle you will see over here. Let me go one by one. This is the first time market came to that macro. Did it take any liquidity? That means a perfect swing high or relatively equal highs. See these two candle high, they are relatively equal highs. If one candle could go above that relatively equal highs, I would mark that as a buy side liquidity has taken. Market went higher, went lower. Look every single candle. It went lower, lower, and finally it has taken the sell side. This swing low or that swing low, maybe they are relatively equal lows over here. See this low and that low. They are relatively equal lows. It has been taken. It's a game of 20 handle. I am repeating that. It's a game of 20 handle. Market has taken the sell side liquidity. All you need a higher market structure shift. That's all you need. Market went here. Now it went higher. It come here, right? When it come here, did it give you any market structure shift? No, there was no market structure shift. So what do you see? You see when price come here, at the same time it has taken some buy side liquidity. See this high and that high, they are relatively equal highs. Market has taken the buy side liquidity as well. So market has taken the sell side liquidity, market has taken the buy side liquidity. Both of the thing happened already. All you need to wait for the market structure shift. If you get the lower market structure shift first, you will go for sell. If you get the higher market structure shift first, you will go for buy. What did I get? After taking the buy side liquidity, market went little lower, then it gave me higher market structure shift. This swing high is absolutely valid for shifting market structure. Why? Why, brother? Why it is valid for shifting market structure? See this swing high over here. There is a swing high on my right. There is lot of highs over here on my left. I will say this is a perfect market structure shift over here. This is the fair value gap. If I step to that fair value gap, it doesn't need to go inside that fair value gap. Just above that line, maybe sometimes one tick above that fair value gap, it's also valid. You will take your entry, you will go for only 5 handle. Never hold it for the buy side liquidity or anything else. Never hold it. Just 5 handle. If you are trading E-mini S&P, 5 handle. If you are trading Nasdaq, 20 handle. Simple. You can't move your stop loss to the break even until it hits you to the stop loss or it hits you to your target profit. You can't put your stop loss to the break even. Still, I don't remember this rule. So far, I remember you can't move your stop loss, but you can check that because it's been a long. I don't trade the macro, but so far I remember you can't move your stop loss until it hit you either way. Okay, so this thing you need nothing, just your 15-minute or 5-minute chart. Here, 5-minute chart is very important. You when you will watch the rules over there, you will understand. Okay, here 5-minute chart is important, 15-minute chart is important. No hourly chart, no 4-hour chart, no daily chart, nothing. Just 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart and 1-minute chart. If you get something from 15-minute chart perfectly, you don't need to go 5-minute chart. If you are confused about 15-minute chart, you can go for 5-minute chart. I explained everything in a very easy way. Very easy way. Okay, just check that out. Why market is looking like that? Oh, okay, I'm in 5-minute chart. Sorry. So market has made this 15-minute. It didn't make it yet, but if it can make that 15-minute fair value gap, for example, it has made that 15-minute fair value gap. Then market come back again to that 15-minute fair value gap. Then I will look for a buy setup again from that fair value gap. Only then I will start to look for buy. That is the theme I told you in Saturday, if you remember. When you are looking for reversal, you will wait for first 15-minute fair value gap to create over that. Then market will come to that 15-minute fair value gap. Then you will frame your trade from that 15-minute fair value gap. That is overconfident or over, something like very clean. I mean, there is 1 minute left to close this candle. If it can close around that area, then it can come back again to that 15-minute fair value gap. You will start to look for your buy setup. First, it has to reach to entry fair value gap or last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Then after seeing this big run, see, this is a big run. This run came here. Now, is really market would love to go higher? If it really would love to go higher, it will make another 15-minute fair value gap. Then it will respect that 15-minute fair value gap. So in 1-minute chart, if you get any setup over here, you should not take that entry. You will wait until price reach here to that fair value gap. Then you will start to look for a buy setup from that 15-minute fair value gap if you have a very clean buy side liquidity. That's the thing I told you in Saturday, if you remember. ICT is a good foundation for you to build on for your personal start. Absolutely big OC. I agree with you, brother. ICT is a trading language. I agree with you, Elmer. Hello, bro. I think that liquidity sweep is shallow run because 15-minute candle didn't close below that. It can be, brother. Okay, it can be, but right now I'm just thinking about only the buy. So we will see. Okay, but it's a very sloppy price action. Very sloppy price action. Huge volatile choppiness. It is called huge volatile choppiness. Still, it is the choppy market. Okay. But that area price, the reverse is confluence of 15-minute and 4 fair value gap and 1 hour fair value. Okay, Nico, it can be. Great info. Thank you, Peter. But what was that info, brother? Good evening, brother. Hello, folks. Hey, Ryan. You're late, man. I'm bullish until 1st of May 2024. I'm bullish until price reach here. I'm bullish. Until price reach to that level. Sorry, here. I'm bullish. 18888.75. 18888.75. Until that level, I'm bullish. When price will go over there, then maybe I'll be bearish. I'm not sure, but I will see after effect. Okay, but until then, I'm bullish. So this is the 15-minute latest fair value gap. I will wait price come here to that 15-minute fair value gap. If it break that 15-minute fair value gap, come back again here, nothing is wrong with that. But it has to reach to that 15-minute fair value gap at least to make a setup. If I get the setup when price will be here, I'll take that on. If it fail to give a setup over here, instead of that it will come back again to that entry fair value gap and give me a setup, I'll be happy to take that on. But first it has to build a fair value gap from 15-minute chart. It has to trade that fair value gap. That's all, brother. So there is a link called membership will be appreciated. If anyone is interested to take that membership, you are welcome. Okay, please consider hitting the like button, share this live streaming to your friends and subscriber. Thank you, Ryan, for reminding these guys. They're not even giving me the likes. Okay, Peter Henry, where Ryan gets the spanner? What is spanner? Oh, okay, spanner, because he is a moderator. You want to be a moderator, then you will block everyone. He's a moderator, that's why. Okay, he was there when someone was trying to go, I mean, make some troll or something, so I made him uh, a moderator so that he can eliminate that guy. Okay, because I'm unable to do that. There is the Twitter link as well, so you will see that stream elements, the name of that site, stream elements, is giving you the link. Both of them are not spam. So if you click on that, one is membership, another one is my Twitter link. Okay, hello brother Peter Henry. Yeah, I'm late, brother. I'm sorry, just came back from work. Your congratulations, brother, because you actually missed the worst price section. Okay, this is the worst price section so far. Thanks, brother. What is your operation time? Make entry. I explained where I will look for entry. Okay, I have just explained that. Just look at this huge consolidation over here. Still, this run failed to take that high. So if I go for that, still this is a valid first fair value gap until now. Okay, I'm gonna remove this 15-minute fair value gap. Just keep in mind there is 15-minute fair value gap. Just keep in mind. Okay, again, I'm not telling that it's going to work, but this is kind of first fair value gap. If market fail to take that high, the first fair value gap should be violated. Now it takes too long, so when the one candle will close below that first fair value gap, you have to take the entry over there, and your stop loss will be just above the constant cosment of that week, last week. Okay, where will be your target? I would love to go for the entry fair value gap. So this is the last fair value gap. Look, this is the last fair value gap. Above this last fair value gap, there is only entry fair value gap over here. So even if you are able to take that in, for example, you able to take that entry, there is your stop loss. Maybe your target will be here, a very small range. But yeah, it is what it is. I mean, right now the first fair value gap setup is like this way. If you're overzealous and you have more than one contract, you can take a partial over there and you can hold until the last fair value gap, or maybe until the sell liquidity. You can go for that. That's the first fair value gap things. Still, I'm trying to figure that out with SMT, something like that. I mean, is there any relation with SMT or not? For example, this is that high. Okay, that high and that high, they are the same. Over here I didn't get the SMT, that means even SMP didn't take that high. This guy also didn't take that high. Now is it valid or not? I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm trying to make a relation if there is anything related with SMT or not. That is the last thing I'm waiting for. If I get sure that I need the SMT, after getting the SMT it works most of the time, then I will make a video about the first fair value gap and you will get the precision from the first fair value gap again. Okay, Peter Henry. Okay, hi Tito, look at the chart. It is look like turtle or camel. What? Okay, this is not no more fast travel gap because market has taken that high. What is that actually? I believe market has taken the buy side liquidity now. It can go little higher, then it will fall again. I believe so. Let's see. Turtle or camel? Hello Ryan. There's the penguin. Peter Henry, I will like or I will block you. I block you. Okay, I will like or I block you. Okay. So if I just make you the moderator, you will block all of my viewers. I believe that. Inversion travel gap on 4-hour chart holding. I don't go to 4-hour chart, brother. Sorry, the last travel gap. Okay, I don't go to I mean last. Sorry, 4-hour chart. Okay, so I'm not interested anymore. When this one is broken, this is the last travel gap concept I have already explained. If this is the broken last travel gap is broken and you have the buy side liquidity, market should reach until that buy side liquidity. Market should reach until that buy side liquidity if it is broken. Like over here, one candle close. If the very next candle didn't close below this, then it will be your last travel gap concept. Now it is really so difficult to trade. You have to take an entry over there. Your stop loss will be very tight. Okay, something like that. Very tight stop loss. Sometimes it doesn't work. To be honest, man, sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it works. So it's kind of 50-50. But right now you can see 10 handle, not bad. 10 handle, not bad because the last travel cap is broken. Where should it go? To that buy side liquidity. It should reach until that buy side liquidity. That's the logic. Sometimes it's a fake breakout. That means one candle close above that fair value gap, the very next candle come back again inside that fair value gap. But you are not going to get that opportunity to close the trade because you are already in the market. So sometimes you got stopped out by that run. Sometimes it works. Not like 90% of the time, 100% of not like that. Okay. I'm just telling you 50-50. That's why you have to put your stop loss as tight as you can. You have to put your stop loss like that way. If you are wrong, you will get a small, very small stop. If you are right, you are going to get a very huge run. Okay, now it's can you can see 19 handle, not a small, I mean huge, but sometimes you will see near about 45-60 handle by taking 6 handle stop loss, 5 handle stop loss, 7 handle stop loss. You are going to get 45 handle, 70 handle, 80 handle, something like that. Okay, so this is also a setup. I have already explained that to my YouTube channel. You can watch them. I have done with this type of setup. Okay, I'm already done. So sometimes you see that I just push my button. I pushed depending on them, which I have already explained to my YouTube channel. First travel cap I didn't yet, but after making that clear the SMT, then I will make a video about first travel cap. Okay. Volker, where you plan to enter when you have to you set up in 15-minute parallel gap that's look like in the higher time frame MSS retracement parallel gap and reverse from parallel gap high. I don't know, as I explained, there was a 15-minute parallel gap. Look over here. See, this is a 15-minute parallel gap so far. So far, this is a 15-minute parallel gap. If it can make another parallel gap over here, then that will be the entry parallel gap. That will be the last parallel gap. Market will come to that entry parallel gap. I will start to look for buy setup. It break the entry parallel gap, come back to the last parallel gap. I will start to buy setup. It will break the last parallel gap, come to this entry parallel gap from higher time frame. I mean from very back. I will still look for the buy setup because market traded that entry or last parallel gap or this entry parallel gap again. I will start to look for buy again. So this is the area where I told you to look for the setup as well. Okay, brother. 219 watching and 117 likes. Please hit the like button, folks. Thank you, Brian, for reminding them. Please hit the like button, guys. Block them if they don't hit the like button. In your trading plan, between what time operate in morning and what time afternoon? From for the morning 9:30 to 12, for the afternoon 1 to 3:45, 1 p.m. to 3:45. At the morning session 9:30 to 12. Okay. After 12:10, no entry should be open on your chart. No entry, not even a single entry should be opened on your chart. And after 3:45, after 3:49, no entry should be open on your chart. Okay, after Ryan is here, I get 123 likes. Thank you, Ryan. And the subscription is 94936. So thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I'm very near to 5000. I just need near about 64 subscription. 64 subscription, then I will touch 5000. Oh man, how is the weather in Bangladesh? Very warm, brother, very warm. And I am unable to switch on my fan because it's doing some, it's making noise. Okay, so I'm just sweating over here. It's very warm over here. Dollar didn't stay here. I come. I know I missed a lot. I was busy. I'm back here for that company. For the company. Okay, big up, bro. Hey, Dollar, how are you, brother? Welcome back, man. Look like MSS 1 minute chart for short to next 50-minute travel gap. You can go for that. I'm just watching the price right now. As I told, if I would love to take any entry, I have to wait to reach to that 15-minute travel gap first. Then it will make a setup. Then I will go for the buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested. We have seen a storm today. Where, brother? Ali, where, brother? I got 2 more subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. But the guys who are subscribing to my channel, my request is don't just disappear. Okay, you have to come back. You have to come back every single day, because by one day you are not going to learn anything. You will need some more days to understand whatever I'm trying to teach here. Okay, so you have to spend little more time with me, at least 1 week. Then you will start to understand the price action, the way I read the price, everything you will start to understand. Okay, Sweden. Okay, I have been in Helsingor once in 2018 maybe. Uh, that time Helsingor is very nice, near Malmo, if you know that area. Helsingborg is in Denmark. Helsingor is in, so far I remember, Helsingor is in Sweden. There is a river between those two area, and that area is just near to Malmo city. Peter, get those t-shirts ready. Peter, did you get those t-shirts ready, brother? 4940. I need just 60 more people. Ready, bro? Okay, it's ready. The t-shirt is ready. Just 60 more subscriber, Peter. Just 60. Yes, cool. This today is a disaster day for me, to be honest. I just, it made me disaster. Okay, so yeah, I will wait for PM session, maybe for better price section, and we'll see. Do you are also watching? What is that? Nothing. I know. The price is inside that 15-minute travel gap, I believe. Let's see if it can give us any setup or not. I'm not home though. We will have to choose, and I will send in 1 week's time. Yeah, first you reach to your home, then we will see, brother. Reach your home safely and enjoy your traveling. Why you are wasting your time with me, brother Peter? Your wife is not telling you anything? I mean, isn't she angry on me? She should be angry on me because I'm just holding you here. Can I get the t-shirt, bro, please? I'd love to show you the t-shirt. There's the t-shirt. He's asleep. Oh, okay. So there's the t-shirt actually. Boom, drama, ICT trading concept. So let's see. If I'm able to get one, I'll be happy. If Peter give me one, I mean, the way he will choose, but we will see that. Okay, so price come here to that 50-minute travel gap. See this fair value gap, it came here. Now I will wait for a market structure shift toward the upper level. Okay, if I get a market structure shift here, I'll be good to take buy. If it would love to come here, that entry fair value gap, it's cool. Still I will just look for a higher market structure. That's all I will look for. Okay, that's great, brother Peter Henry. So what are you waiting for, folks? Hit the subscribe button for a chance to win at the t-shirt. Yeah, thank you, man. Peter, put her to bed. Yes, it's good, I love it. It's cool, man. Guys need help how to random choose winners. Yeah, I have no idea, I'm a noob. Maybe you know how to choose the random area. Peter, is there any opportunity to get the facilities, I mean get extra facilities who are the member? I mean, are they going to get extra facilities, Peter? If it is, then I'm gonna be bad, okay, because I didn't take the membership. You took the membership, maybe you will take you will be on one winner. I'm just kidding. I need a t-shirt too. Okay, you and me both noobs. Yeah, Peter. If anyone knows how to do that, the lottery or something, it will be great. Okay, if you know that, just let us know. We will try to do that. I think there is a YouTube giveaway picker. Members have better chance to win. Okay, so member has the better chance to win. Okay, I don't want T to suffer it stroke. Please don't forget to drink enough water. Don't do that, man. Show verified PNL. What is PNL? Okay, profit and loss. You need that? Vivek Naikar. I actually do that every day over here to my Twitter. Okay, so if you go to my Twitter, I had this. Okay, I had this, but yeah, today I got loss. Today is a bad day, so that is the loss. And here that was from yesterday. Express account, $1,641. That was the profit from yesterday. If you keep going lower, you will see the profit loss or whatever. I just put it to my Twitter. Okay, I'm not interested to show you my account number, because already my this thing, okay, my trading view tried to hack. I showed that to my Twitter as well, that someone tried to hack my Twitter. It was from Thailand, so far I remember. Though I am not interested to give you the answer, but still you ask, so I just no, I don't use MT5, brother. It's top step prop firm. Okay, not MT4 or MT5. Vivek Naikar. The modes on to, okay, to win. Okay, okay. Nightbot can also host giveaways. We will figure that out. Okay, we will figure that out. Yes, I agree, brother. Higher chances for members. Okay, then maybe I'm gonna miss the opportunity to take a t-shirt because I'm not a member. Oh man. But I have a lot of member now. Okay, I'm really happy to have the member to my channel. I'm just waiting for the price action. The reason is it's just sloppy. See, this is the sloppy price action, so I'm just waiting for better price action. If I get one before 12, I will go for that. If I don't, then Catalano go. I don't love this 1150 to 1210 macro, brother, to be honest. Perhaps you will have to pass the price action exam to get the t-shirt. Maybe, man, maybe. Yeah, I have to pass that. I have a lot of member now. Okay, you can see all the members over here. There are about 23 members: Peter, Kesh, Laszlo, Sujit, Scotty, then Leah, Alexia, Justus, Sergey, Rain, Molfar, Spip Kid, Herman, Civil Engineer, Shahid, Sunrik, Ryan, Stephen, Amash, FX, Remigius, Suhil, George. This is the guy with me from the very beginning. Okay, this guy George and Remigius. These two guy is with me from the very beginning. After these two guy, then Stephen joined me. Okay, so they are the oldest. He's the oldest one, then Remy, then Stephen. then you guys actually join slowly one after another. But yeah, still I got a lot of members to my channel. Thanks to all for subscribing, for getting that membership. Okay, I really appreciate that. Thank you, man. Thanks for that. Okay, we are too early, might not hit 5K. Oh man, 4943 already. Okay, so 57 left, only 57 left. Please consider joining brother's Twitter. Yeah, that is my Twitter link. Thanks Ryan for sharing that. That's my Twitter link. If anyone would love to join with me in my Twitter, you're welcome to press on that button. Okay, 15 May 2022 here with breaker, but looking for inversion for confirmation. Let's wait for that, brother. Ben Kuj, I'm not interested to take entry right now. It's very near to 12. I'll just let it go. The morning session, I'll just let it go. Bro, know us, you YouTube recommendations. Okay, show us your YouTube recommendations. What is YouTube recommendations? Uh, I miss what is that, brother? I will show everything if you want to see. I will show everything, but what is that? Let me know that. Okay. Thanks for that 133 likes, folks. For the others watching, please hit that like. Thank you, Ryan. Stephen, where are you, man? I just talked about you. Just right now, I talked about you, man. Stephen. So there is the guy, Stephen. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys, for your unstoppable support. So whoever with me today, where I showed you the macro, if anyone is interested, you can backtest that. Okay, but again, that is too easy. You don't need any price action, nothing at all. Just you have to find out the liquidity taken and the market structure sheet. Not 100% perfect. There is nothing called 100% perfect. Okay, but yeah, still it works 99% of the time. I'm unable to tell that 99 sorry 100% of the time, but it will work 99% of the time. Okay, Peter Henry, Stephen was getting a haircut. Hello. Yeah, Stephen, I can see your name, brother. Stephen was busy for a haircut. Okay, we are very near to lunch hour, so we will see if we see anything, get if you get anything or not. If we don't get anything, well, just let go. See, this price action is really shit price action. If you miss something, don't get upset. Okay, this is not a perfect price action. Maybe around the PM session we will get a better price action. Maybe, I'm not sure. Maybe we will get a better price action, but we will see that. Okay, markets are very choppy today. Absolutely, brother, because of the midnight expansion. If you ever see midnight expansion or over, I mean, a big run overnight, maybe around the London session or before the New York AM session, you should avoid the morning session because you are going to get better price action at the evening. Okay, at the PM session, not evening, sorry, at the PM session you are going to get the better price action. So try to avoid the morning session and wait for the PM session. Now my chat list is in blue and green. I can see the blue and green only. I'm down. Grrr. Okay, 5 minute parabolic gap should hold now. Ali, I don't see the 5 minute chart, so I have no idea. And I'm out. Good night. See you tomorrow, people. See you, brother. See you tomorrow. Why did you take that entry? See you tomorrow, Peter. 4946 subscriber. I will wait little more and then I'm gonna close my morning session. But at the same time, if we can hit 4950, we will see that. Okay. Good night, brother. Thanks for being here. Yeah, Peter, thank you, brother. Thanks for being here. I just need three more subscriber. So if it can hit 4950, I'll be happy. Really, I'll be happy. And please don't leave my streaming before giving me the like, okay? Just give me a like before leaving the streaming. 4948. Just need two more people and then done. Just two more people. Night night. May the trading goods be on your side. We will see, brother. Not a good day. All I'm looking for a buy setup here. Okay, market came to the entry fair up again. I need a market structure shift toward the buy side liquidity. There is my buy side liquidity over here. All I'm looking for a market structure shift toward the high. If I don't get it and market keep falling, I'm not interested to take sell. Okay, that's for sure. That's called trading. If you just would love to take the buy and sell, that means you're gambling. You should not do the gamble. You should be on-sided. Okay, there is no other way. You have to be on-sided. Which gap is that you mark? That is 15-minute entry fair value gap. Just go to your 15-minute chart. You will get that 15-minute entry fair value gap over here. This is the 15-minute last fair value gap. This is the 1-minute last fair value gap. I didn't get the market structure shift, brother. I'm just waiting for the market structure shift, as I told. I'm just waiting for the market structure shift. Until now, I don't see a swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. So all I need a market structure shift here with a valid market structure shift. Okay, not some kind of swing high has been shifted, no, not like that. Give me the big congratulations because I have just touched 4950 subscriber. Give me the congratulations, brother. I need that. I touched that 4950, so I believe that tomorrow maybe I will get 5000 subscriber. I hope so. Okay, just give me the big congratulations for that 4950 subscription. Um, just 2 more minutes, then I'm gonna close my session. Just 2 more minutes. I would love to see how it close before the lunch hour. That is a subscriber boom, brother. Congratulations. Thank you, man. Thanks. Thank you, Jimmy. Benkus, thank you, man. Thank you. Anthony Lugium. You're new, brother? Anthony Lugium. Fazlul Kobe, thank you, brother. Thanks for congratulating me. And whoever actually pushing that from that love area. This one, right? Can you see it? If I press the love, can you see it? I see. If you are learning something new today, consider joining T2 YouTube live streaming and coffee support. Okay, thank you, Stephen. Thanks to all whoever actually writing me that. Congratulations. Thank you, man. Thanks, Rain. Thanks, Al Mehdi. Tizo, you are still here? Yes, I don't know if you read my comment before, but first few days were really sell setups, right? That huge daily candle retraced back. It was not sell setup, it was consolidating setup. Okay, it was just consolidating. Market had the buy side liquidity, still it has the buy side liquidity. So I'm still bullish. Every single time in a longer period of time, market is falling to take the liquidity only. So I'm not interested to take that any kind of participation on that lower run. I'm only interested to take buy. That's the interest for me. Now, after today, I will decide is market going higher or lower. I will decide that tomorrow, depending on today's candle close. Yes, I'm babysitting and watching. Oh, okay. Kesh, Obinandan. Where are you from, Kesh? You write down in Bangla. Peter, you are still here, man. You should not be here. Just go and sleep, man. I love that penguin, man. Whoever are the member, I love that penguin. Now here is the big green. Thank you, big Usi. You took that member because of the t-shirt, man. I'm gonna take that membership as well then. Otherwise, Peter will do something, partiality. He is not going to give me the t-shirt, I believe. Thank you, man, for taking the membership. Okay, it's 12. Yeah, I got it, big Usi. I got it, man. So you have a better chance to get the t-shirt now. But what I will do, Peter, just give me one t-shirt, okay, brother? This swing high, is it valid for shifting market structure? No, this is not valid for shifting market structure. This swing high is not valid for shifting market structure. The reason is this swing high didn't trade any fair value gap. It didn't have a swing high on its left which is lower than that swing high. It doesn't have any swing high on its right which is lower than that swing high. Okay, so it's not valid for shifting market structure. If I get a market structure shift above that high and then price trade that fair value gap and went to that buy side liquidity, I don't give a shit. I don't care because this swing high is not valid. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it works. Most of the time you will regret to mark that swing high. I have made a video about the market structure shift to my YouTube channel. Please watch that one. If you just only can mark the swing high which is valid for shifting market structure, trust me, man, you will avoid thousand losing trade. Thousand of losing trade you are going to avoid. It's very easy to avoid the losing trade, man. Trust me. Okay, you are getting one T2. Oh, okay. Thank you, Peter. Thank you, man. Thank you, brother Bigusi, for joining the membership. This is greatly appreciated. Thank you, Ryan, for appreciating him. Bigusi, thank you for sharing your knowledge. I'm bound to share it because I promise. I don't want to break my promise. I want to give everything I know. But some days are always be very bad. You have to be careful of that. Some days are gonna be very bad. Okay, so yeah. Please always be careful. Losing will come. Losing trade will keep coming. You can't avoid the losing trade. You have to take the losing trade. Now, I did something wrong today. I should not tell that, but I'm gonna tell you. First time when I got stopped out, I switched to paper money. Okay. Then I come back again with my real money because I was too greedy. When I have watched that setup over here, not that one actually, here, that one. When I saw that setup, I was too greedy. I come back with my real money again. I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't do that. Okay, I break my rules. I break everything, and I get punished. Just a second. Just a second. Amma, Amma, Amma. Just a second. I'm coming. So I just broke my rules and I get punished. So over here you can see this is a very nice market structure shift. Am I looking for a buy over there? Though it is a lunch hour. Okay, just think this is not lunch hour. This is inside the session. Am I interested to take buy if there is a fair value gap and immediate reaction? No, I'm not interested to take buy. Why? It has taken the liquidity very way, nice way. This is a very nice market structure shift. This swing high is not valid for shifting market structure. I'm not agree with you. If you mark this one as your market structure shift, then brother, which swing high are we going to mark as our market structure shift? Until now, there is no market structure shift, no swing high which is valid. For example, when I have marked this high as my market structure shift, do you know what I have seen? First, I have seen this swing high traded that fair value gap. Then I have seen this high and that high. Are they exactly equal high, or is it little bit above that high? When I have got that it is little bit above the comparing with those high, then I mark that as my market structure shift. Otherwise, it is not valid. See over here, there was a swing high as well. I didn't mark that as my market structure shift. This was a swing high, right? I didn't mark it. I got the market structure shift at the same time I got here, but I didn't mark it because this is not a swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. You have to understand the fact, brother. Okay? If you don't understand the fact, you will be chopped up. Trust me. After learning this, you will see that, man, I'm so much aggressive. Okay, whatever entry I took today's morning, only entry I took here, that was the absolutely one entry over here. I took some other entry depending on some other thing. Okay, so I got stopped out a lot of time, maybe 3 to 4 times. Here, that was the only entry that was valid. A plus plus setup. It didn't work, then it worked. Boom. But whatever, sometimes it happens. I can't just stop myself when I see something. I just push my button. Yeah, that's why sometimes I take a losing trade. And if you see over here, today is not actually a good day for me. Actually, I did so many bad things today. This is the morning session around 7 a.m. I took lot of trade. I tried to be ICT today and market was extremely one-sided. I just messed up with everything today. I don't know what happened to me. I did something wrong today. Okay, I agree with it. I could simply hide that from you. I could simply do that. I don't need to show you that, but it happens. That's why my profit is 147, just $147. Then around the here, let me show you everything. Okay, execution. Look what I have done today. See, this is all I have done today, and that's why I'm in minus. If I don't do it, if I would stop over there with $147 or $141 profit, I wouldn't take that huge near about $2,000 loss. I wouldn't take that. Okay. I don't need to show you. If I wouldn't show it to you, you would never see that, right? You would never see that. Yeah, some of you actually show that I took some sell or buy, it didn't work, then it worked. I don't need to show you that, but yeah, I have to show you that. Why? The reason is you have to understand why I always tell you not to do the over trading. I'm a human being. Sometimes I do mistakes. Sometimes I blow my mind. Everything. But trust me, man. I know how to mitigate my loss. I know that very well. Okay. I am gonna mitigate my loss. That's for sure. That's for sure. Maybe tomorrow I will take some more losses, but I'm gonna mitigate my loss. I know this price action very well. When it is going how, I know that. If I don't see that any other way, I will use the macro, which works 99.99% of the time. Maybe I will use the macro entry, but I will mitigate. Hey Lenny, thank you, man, for being a member. Thank you, man. That's why we learn together from the market, bro. Absolutely, Volker. I want to share everything with you. Okay, I don't want to just show you the profitable entry. Okay, in my small account, this is the bigger account. Okay, in my small account, at the London session, not over there. Actually, it was over here, maybe. Yeah, it was over here at the London session. And there, yeah, here. Sorry, I'm sorry. Around the London session, I took a sell here, then I got a stop out. Then I took a sell here, I added one more here, and I get a huge profit, near over $1,000 profit to my small account. Okay, I didn't touch my small account. I just, I mean, hardly I'm managing my small account, but this is my bigger account. That's why I don't care because I have huge money to my bigger account. Huge money. Even you can imagine it's huge. Okay, so I don't really get panic when I take some losses. But to be honest, guys, I would love to show everything with you guys, share everything. Now, if you judge me, I will say that I don't know what to say. I mean, but you should not judge me. You should not judge me, okay? This swing high is valid for shifting market structure. Absolutely, it's valid for shifting market. So why, brother? Let me show you. See this parallel gap? It has traded that parallel gap over here. We mark that here. This swing high has traded that parallel gap, but brother, it has been traded already by here. I don't care until this parallel gap is not closed by body fully. If any other swing high trade that parallel gap, I'm gonna use that high as a valid swing high for shifting market structure. So if I am looking for a market structure shift, this is the swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. If you don't go with that, look over here, that is a swing high on its left which is lower than that swing high. There is a swing high here which is in its right which is lower than that swing high. So it is valid either way. As it has traded that fair value gap, it is valid. If it didn't trade that fair value gap, you just think that there is no fair value gap which has been traded by that. You will just look for this. Do it Does it have to swing high which is lower than that swing high? Yes, it have. Then it is valid for shifting market structure. Simple, man. Really, thank you, Lenny Koski, for being the member, man. Thank you, man. Welcome, bro. You are changing lives. I didn't know that, man. Respect your transparency here for the long term right. Thank you, man. Bigusi. Yeah, I love to give you everything. Okay, I don't want to give you the false hope that, brother, always I'm gonna take that profitable entry. See, I'm a profitable entry. I never have the losing day. No, man, I don't want to do that. I would love to share everything. Like over here, I didn't need to show it to you before even starting the stream today, right? I didn't need to show it to you. I showed it to you because I want to share it with you. When I get profit, I share it with you as well. So yesterday it was near about 700 $1,700 profit. I shared it with you. Now if I just keep sharing this picture with you, you will start to think, okay, if we just study this, then we are never going to take this type of situation, this type of losing situation. And when you will get that losing situation, you will blow your mind, you will blow your account. Because the guy T2, he never take the loss. T2 never take the loss. Then I took the loss. That means I did something wrong. I should not do wrong. I have to mitigate my loss. I have to make it a profitable day. No, man. Every single person is going to take that, going through this type of situation. Now you can see it's 147. It was in the morning. Okay. Right now I'm near about $2,000 loss. I'm in $2,000 loss. Okay. To be honest, today I'm in $2,000 loss. So I didn't take that entry, nothing. I wanted to take that huge run. That's why I was failed to close that entry over here. When I took that entry, I could close that with 700 or $800 profit. Then it would be near about $200 to $300 loss would be. But I didn't close it, so I was greedy, and it punished me very well, good way. Okay. Then this entry I didn't take nothing. I didn't do anything. So I hope, guys, you are not going to judge me. Instead of that, you will understand that, bro, the macro is so huge. I make it challenge with the to see if I got the funded account, and with the paper trading I will learn to read good the chart like you, bro. Okay, Volker. I believe that you guys will be better than me, 1,000 times better than me. Okay, today or tomorrow, just today or tomorrow, man. Okay, Ryan, thank you, man. Lol, brother Peter, you are still here, man. Just T2, the Ryan will judge you. Okay, Ryan is going to judge me. Ryan, don't judge me, man. I will block you. Okay. No, Ryan can block me because he is the moderator. Now he can block me. I guess. I like the honesty. You are the best. No, man. I have no other way. Okay. I have no other way to show you my losing trade, because if I don't show you the losing trade, you will make you will build an what to say. I mean, an idea inside of you that losing never happens with the good traders. Everyone tells that you have to take the losing trade, but it actually doesn't happen with the better trader. I'm not a better trader, but I'm just giving you the example. Okay, trust me, losing day is coming for everyone. Sometimes one week will be profitable. Every single day you will earn maybe $2,000, $3,000, $1,000, $500. Every single day you are going to earn. Sometimes a whole week will be in red. Whole week. All you have to do, you have to stop. Like the way I break the rule today, I shouldn't break the rule. If I wouldn't break the rule, my loss would be near about $300 to $400. Just $300 to $400. Now my loss is near about $2,000 because I break my rules. That's the only reason. That's the way we blow our account. I break my psychology, it punished me. That's why have to I have to show you my losing or something. Again, my request is not to judge me. That's only my request to all of you guys. Okay. Great analysis today, man. Thank you. Octo Jisu, thank you, man. No, Rand doesn't judge you, Titu. He judges the people that judge you. Oh, okay. Just it. Okay, I got your point now. Thank you, team. Okay, guys. So it's the lunch hour, and here is no other way to trade. If I come back again to the PM session, I will let you know. If I don't, then I hope you will forgive me because I'm unable to come with my live money, and with paper money I don't know. Okay, I should not open my chart today, not anymore, because it's already $2,000 loss, and this is the NFP week. I'm thinking that if I try to mitigate my loss today, I will take a huge loss today. Okay, near about $6,000, which is my extreme limit. So I'm gonna lose whole $6,000 today. So maybe I won't be here around the PM session, but if I'm here, I will just tweet over here. If I'm here, okay, then I'll tweet. Thank you, bro. I'm back in green after a short at 11:45. Should I hold till the double bottom? You are still holding that, man? This is the lunch hour, most weird time. You are still holding, and you are asking that. It's your job, man. Your decision. Team, yeah, let's support brother. Yeah, thank you, guys. Hope to see you power hour. I believe so, brother. I don't know, but yeah. So that's all for today. And just us, if you would love to hold, you can hold. Okay, brother. I am not going to give you any suggestion, but except this last parallel gap. Remember this last parallel gap from 1 minute chart. So just don't forget about this last parallel gap. Then, as I am bullish, so I just can't go. I can't think about the sell. Okay, so it's your job, your decision. What is the name of your video to learn more about MSS? Okay, I have showed that today one time, but I'm gonna do it one more time before closing. Okay. Just go to my YouTube channel. From the YouTube channel, go to the playlist. From playlist, go to this folder, study. Okay, study. That is called study. Just go over there. From study, you will see this video. See the blue color, blue right. What is market structure shift? ICT. How to avoid losing trade part. You have to watch that video first. After watching this video, after fully understanding this video, you have to watch this video. This is 10-minute video. How to avoid losing trade. ICT trading concept. Okay. How to select swing high or low for MSS. You have to watch that video. So these two video you have to watch one after another. First this one, then this one. That's all. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's all for today, and thanks to all for subscribing to my channel. I can see 4959. Okay, thanks to all for subscribing. If I don't come at the PM session, I'll be here tomorrow around the London session, I believe. Until then, cheers.